Hey, this is Jorge from Solkin and welcome to a new video. In this case, we are going to learn how to create an NFT staking for your Solana NFT project completely free and without coding. As you should know, most NFT projects have their own staking, and that's because an obvious reason. It's really useful for you and as an NFT project, okay? We have two main reasons for this. On the one hand, you are providing value and giving any sort of reward to your community, so it's good for your holders. And on the other hand, you are logging those NFTs and you are deleting those NFTs for the market, so that's good for the floor price. Before starting, one thing more: if you want a custom NFT staking, we are a development agency. We have been more than 2 years providing development service to NFT project. So if you want a custom staking, feel free to contact us and we will help you. In this case, we are going to use a tool, a app that allows us to create our own NFT staking without coding and completely free. Okay, here we have the tool we are going to use for the staking. It's a staking builder from Smithy, okay, staking.smithy.io, and here we have different options and different plans to create our own staking without coding. Okay, let me introduce you a bit about this solution. So basically, we have this template that we can modify with our project information, and we are creating our own staking site, independent staking site. So all holders can go here and can stake their NFT, and we are providing them a token as reward. So it's really cool. We have different features, but the most important, we have 3 plans available. The first one is free, which is the best one in my opinion, and we have 2 other options that unlock us more features, more customization, and also another important point is that our users, when they are staking, have a little fee per stake. Okay, in the case of free, our users are paying 0.02 Sol per stake. In the other pro plans, this fee is lower, of course, but anyways, my recommendation would be use the free plan, and if you like the tool and you wanna continue using this, you can go for the pro plans, which are one-time payment. Okay, so in this case, we are going to learn how to create it with the free plan. So let's start directly clicking here on test before paying, or we can go also here, test for free. Okay, so after clicking on the button, we are here. Here we need to put our project information. So we start with the email, info solkin.tech. Great. And here we need to put the project information. My name, Jorge, the project name, Solkin, and the staking URL. We only need to put the last part of the URL. So I will recommend you to put the project name. So I'm going to use Solkin NFT. Okay, now I click on continue, and here we have the first template. Okay, we go directly to a preview of our staking. Here we can see the template we will have, and here we have our admin panel. Here we have the options we can customize. In this phase, we can't do all the customization we have available with our free plan, but we can play a bit and test a bit the colors. For example, I can test here the background and put a black background. We have different options available, but now it's just a preview to see how will it look like. Okay, so for continue, we need to go to deploy. In this case, before going to deploy, if I click here, we need to set a collection supply. We need to do that on-chain setup here. Okay, here we need to set the collection supply we have. So in this case, I will use 40, for example. I don't have an NFT collection, so anyways, now that we have the collection supply, we click on deploy. I click on deploy here, and we need to continue setting more information for the staking. We have here the authority wallet, which is the wallet I have connected to the site. Now we have also the reward token, so we need to select a token from that we hold to put as reward in the staking. Okay, in this case, I will use the Solkin token I created in another tutorial, and we need to set how much tokens we want to transfer to the pool. So those will be all tokens available for people staking to get rewarded. Okay, I will put 100, for example. We have the plan, the different plans. In this case, we are going for the free, so we select free, and the collection ID. We can select the NFT from our wallet, so I can select here which NFT I want to be staked here. I will select, for example, this one, which is Sarruj. And if we don't have the NFT on our wallet, you can click here and put the collection ID of the collection. So anyways, in this case, I'm picking from here. So now we only need to click on deploy. Deploy, the total binning is 0 because it's free. We have here the review of the staking we have used, and we can click on finish to deploy and create the staking. We can see here a transaction, okay, and here I'm sending the tokens, okay, the tokens we set to send to reward token, and a little fee for the transfer. We confirm, and now it's loading, so we have the pool in creation. As we can see here, it may take 1 minute, 2 minutes, more or less. So, okay, now we have success. Here we have your staking pool was created successfully. Also, we have the change of colors saved here. So we still have this background, and here we can change the different things. Here we can start customization, but also our staking already exists. So now people can go to the site. This is the URL we have set. We can open a new window and we will see that it already appears. So this staking already exists, and if I, as a user, connect my wallet, I will be seeing the staking. We will test it later, okay? So here we have the staking, and now we can start customizing. In this case, I don't like the dark mode, even it's strange. Okay, I have all changes done. I have saved the changes, so now we can continue to the next steps. If we have the pro plan, we will be able to change the logo, okay, and set a background image, but in this case we are going with the free plan, so that's not available. But we have the navigation. Here we can add links to the navigation. So for example, let's add our website site agency, and we can put here the URL. Here we have, we click on add, and we will be adding it after saving. Okay, so we can add more links. I can add, for example, YouTube. So will be youtube.com/Solking NFT. Add. Okay, let's say that we have only those two links, and we also can link our social media. So we can set here the link for Discord, Solking, and for Twitter, Solking Tech. Perfect. Now we can click on save. We need to sign the transaction to save, and changes should be applied. Good things we have here is that we can see that the token that we are rewarding appears here automatically. We have here the project name, so it's kind of custom. For me it looks really nice. Okay, now we have here the links. We can click on them and they open the URL we have used, so it's pretty nice. Now we can test with Twitter, for example. Here we have it opens our Twitter. Nice. So the last configurations and customization we can do are here on chain setup. Here we can change the reward token. We already have Solking, but we can use any other token if we want. We can deposit more tokens. So if we want to add more tokens to the pool of the staking, we can transfer from here. Okay, and we can change the token quantity per day. This will be the quantity that each NFT will be generating daily. So for example, in this case, we will keep 1, and we can set the minimum staking time. So how much time the NFTs should be on a staking until the user is able to unlock the NFT. So for example, I will set 15 days. Okay, I will click on save. We need to sign the transaction. Okay, as it is a non-chain change, we need to pay a little fee of 0.01. Okay, but now we have changed it. Let's see if we update. Now we have the change here of the Solking per day. Nice, and we have the ratio of minimum staking time. 1 second, I want to show you something I wasn't able to show you in the tutorial because my NFT, the NFT I was using in the tutorial, was frozen. So let me show you how it works. I have been creating this staking before as a test, and I want to show you that it works. I can stake the NFT here. Okay, I have here the reward I have been farming, and one important thing here is that the staking is non-custodial, so we won't have any problem with Matrika or any other holder verificator, because me as a user staking, I still have the NFT here in my wallet. Only they are frozen when I stake, so I can't move it from the wallet, but I keep having it. So it's really good, and it's interesting for you as a project, because you will be able to verify on Discord who are holding and who is holding the NFT, even it's staked. From here we can do anything more. Okay, we have our staking ready. Now anyone which have the NFT we have seen can go here and can stake. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want a custom staking, we can create it for you. Contact us. We are a development agency. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.